It's beach today.
Welcome to the Jaderific Show. This is her mom, Shar. So welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be vlogging so much. So Jade is in the car right now. I had to step out because I wanted to completely surprise her. So today, you guys, I am taking her to the beach and she doesn't know it. So I'm gonna get in the car. We're gonna act completely normal and we'll surprise her. Hi, Stinker Butt. So we have a surprise today.
I already know it.
What is it?
We're going to have the sour challenge versus not sour.
Oh, yeah, the sweet versus sour challenge. Yeah, you're right. All right, you guys. Well, we will see you guys later.
Okay, guys. So, put my fanny back up. Guys, the slide we made today was snow. The slide that we made yesterday. Look at my rainbow pencil. My mom slowly. She'll got hers.
Are you excited? Those are some big birds. So we are going to work out at the beach today, you guys.
Yep, and I'm going to play with the sand and put my feet in the sand. Okay, Mom?
I have to keep explaining to her that this is just a workout day. Like, I'm in my workout attire and Jade is in her workout clothes. Yoga on the beach.
Yes, I put my feet in the cake. I go get in the water.
So Jade is so mad I didn't tell her we were coming out here and she doesn't have her swimsuit on, but that would have ruined the surprise. I didn't want you to know we were coming to the beach. So I'm gonna blow her her unicorn up and we're gonna play, we're gonna enjoy it. Mommy loves you.
Mommy, I need to water my pool.
So I just buried Jade's feet in her unicorn. I buried them in the sand, you guys. You guys, I buried Jade. You want to come up, Jade? I think we should bury your unicorn next. You said you think we should do what?
I think I should bury you.
Bury who?
You.
I don't know.
Come on, Mommy.
Thumbs this video up, y'all. Give this video a thumbs up. If we get enough, let's reach for 50,000 subscribers, comments, and likes. 50,000, I'll let Jay bury me, fully clothed, and I'll stay here. So let's give this video a thumbs up.